Currently we have running a Q-Sage 5x60-42 and a 2-1-2 flow configuration. This is a complete setup. It's got a vibratory feeder hopper, or vibratory feeder with a little hopper bin up above. This customer is actually going to be feeding this machine with tote bags from a forklift. They'll drive up here, put the tote bag above, and release to feed the hopper. 2 screens in the top chute, 2-way split scalp, scalp over scalp, or scalp over sift. A return screen that's scalp or sift. So the scalpings would come out on the tailgate there. The siftings, if it's in that position, would come out right here. And then in the very bottom, we have 2-way split sift. And there's our number 5 sifting spouts and number 4 scalpings or siftings. We have our lower air liftings there. And then in the top here, we have our number 1 scalpings, number 2 scalpings, upper air liftings, and number 2 siftings if it's in that position. Real smooth. Our lower air liftings fan dampener control, and our upper air liftings fan dampener control. This is going to have a complete setup with a filter manifold. So this setup will have 8 bags hanging from it. Currently we just mocked it up with 1. And there's a squared around transition that will bolt on top of the fans. There's a 90 that goes off. And then there'll be another 90 that goes into the top of the bag filter manifold. And then they'll just connect it with straight ductwork. There's 2 inlets into the top of the manifold from the 2 fans on the machine, and then it's going to have all the NordFab quick connect ducting with the quick clamps. And then on the bottom of each one of these bags there is a zipper. Each one of these filter bags, where is the zipper? The zipper is right there. It opens up to right here, so the customer will just come over with a bin and empty it out as it fills up. There's 8 of them filter socks. That will be enough cloth area for the CFM involved. This has some integrated height built into the frame. And then the discharge for the good product is right here. That will be enough height. At this 18-inch discharge height, they can either feed a bucket elevator, a small bucket elevator, or a belt conveyor. In this case, I know the customer is going to use a incline pleated belt conveyor, because this is going to be for veggie seeds. There's the dial for the feed gate, both the vibratory feeder, and all the discharges. We just mocked it up with some flex hose here, but that's how you hook it up. I'm sure they're just going to go to small totes on the side here for their discard, and they're different sizes. So that's the complete setup here on this Q-Sage 5x60. From the front. Overall height with the bin on top is 133 inches. And then overall height without it for shipping is 121 inches, which we'll be able to ship on a flatbed. Bag filter manifold, it all bolts together, so it'll break down for shipping. And then we'll shrink wrap it to ship it. And there's the complete package. So the fan motor is a 10-horse motor, and for this it'll have enough static pressure for the filter system. Very economical setup for a complete system.